Hey guys, Chmelaeon.com here. Today I have a survival tool essential that not a lot of bug out survivalist people talk about, but what it is it's a municipal like water gas key. So it has the ability of unlocking water in places like water fountains and sides of buildings and stuff like that. I'm not condoning that kind of behavior. I'm just telling you what the tool does itself. Or maybe you're a janitor, or you work for a train, or you're an HVAC guy and you need one of these, and I would suggest this one because it's one of the very few that actually has all 8. Plus, it also comes with a flathead Phillips combo, and we're going to have an Amazon link in the description below for this thing, and I'm going to show you the link right now, and then I'm going to get into the tool itself. So, here's the tool, okay? And universal wrench socket with screwdriver, multifunctional key for the actuation of locking systems from areas and facilities, engineering, gas and water supply, shutoff systems, wrench and reversible bit joined by stable stainless steel wire. They also forgot to mention that they're magnetically connected as well. Weight optimized zinc die design. The twin key has 5 different shapes: square, triangle, half moon, step-like, and round with prongs. Multifunctional key can be opened the door and window of the train, car, elevator, subway. Electrical control conduit, electrical meter box, marine business, meter keys. Reversible bit with 1 by 7mm and PH2 cross slot. 8-arm version consists of 2 4-way wheel wrenches connected in a space-saving way using magnets. Okay, they did mention the magnets. So here's what it comes with. There's some sizes if you guys need to see it. Once again, guys, Amazon link in the description below for this specific tool. And I thought that was kind of cool. They included the hex key. And does that actually go into there? Let me check that. No. But it might fit into one of the wrench slots. You can probably throw it into one of the wrench slots and turn it into an actual screwdriver. Almost positive of that, actually. I'll test that theory in a second. But when I search for water key, here's what comes up, right? So you would be led to believe that the Jones-Stevens would be the best bet, right? It's got 270 reviews, it's 4.5 stars, but if you didn't go down far enough, also we're going to have a link to this so in case you need to turn on your water or whatever, turn off water. Or if you're in the profession of needing one of those tools. Anyway, if I scroll down all the way, you'll find the key, but this one has all 8 in one tool. So I thought I would mention that to you guys. Maybe it'll help someone out. I recommend the tool, especially for survivalists who need water, or if you're in a profession that needs these keys. Amazon's a good place to get them. Also, be sure to check out Chmelaeon.com. We have a ton of different tools and stuff like that. But I just want to see if this will fit in one of these sections here. I think it'll probably fit in this one. Yeah, you can... maybe the square guy right here. I think that's the tool. Oh, there we go. Yep. So you can just kind of make that a screwdriver. And it's all connected by a wire, so you never lose them. Thought that was a neat idea. Plus the magnets, they just pop right into place. All right. Pretty simple, elegant in design, and effective in its construction. Get one today. Amazon link below, as well as eBay and some other stuff. On that note, Chmelaeon.com is out. Peace.